In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the order emails on Shopify. So this is basically how you can change the email layout on Shopify if you have a store. So you want to go to your settings, then go to notifications up here, and here you can find the customer notifications, and you can hit customize by hitting the customize button over here. Then as you can see here, you can change the template, and the template over here is just the default one, blue. You can change the color to red or something, and then it's going to change when you hit save. And this is how you can set it up on Shopify itself. So this is the order. Here you can find the other email. So this is the order confirmed, order updated, and payment needed to update, and basically all the templates. And here you can choose a file for your logo as well. But there's a different way to do this, which can be more professional. That is going to your home page. So just leave the page and then go to apps and go to the Shopify App Store. Now you want to find a plugin for email. Just type in email first, and then there are ton of emails. So right, this one, Klaviyo, I would recommend you to do this. You can easily customize your emails and send them to your customers. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.